Hello everyone, Andrew here. We're out on a display build at one of our dealer partners. We have a structure here that's been here for years. It's a pavilion. You can see it has gutters with box ends. One thing I want to point out is a dripping box end here. Happens a lot on gutters, and it's one thing you may want to look out for a job that you have installed or a job that you may be doing. And I want to show you what could be problematic. We have a repetitive drip here from the water, and over time that is going to erode the surface of your paving stone. So you could go with your customer and A, address that from above where the problem is coming from, or B, maybe want to talk about maybe we pave around this pillar or the corner of the house and we don't put paving stones in that area if we can help it. Or it might be an opportunity to talk to your homeowner, your client, about a sealing package that could help prevent some of that water damage from that consistent drip. Even with sealing, it is an area that can be prone to showing degradation of the paving stones. Something to look out for with your client consultations or post-construction.